So I already have parted my hair, and I cannot do traditional French braids because I've never been able to do it. And so I want to show you how I do my braids and how I kind of cheat a little bit. But basically, I grab the hair like so, and I do start a braid here, like this. And I just start by just doing a regular braid. And then once I get it down to the end, I start my next one. And I'm just doing it with my nail.
I want everybody fixing the steps.
Lovely. Lovely.
It's by far the easiest way to clean them.
He's cleaning the steps to the motorhome. Okay, so now that I have my braid in, I take my finger in like that, and I kind of twist my hair through the braid like so. So now you have the rest of this hair that you've braided or pulled through the braid, and then you're going to split it down the middle like that. So now you still have 3, and you just take your hair again and you braid it together. You get the gist of what I'm doing here. Alright, now that you've got that, you've got one more to do. And again, you just open the braid up, stick your finger through it like that, grab that hair like this, and you split it again. Pull it really tight. And look how easy that braid is. And it'll stay in all day until you take it out. And then I just get these little rubber bands, these little black rubber bands that match my hair. Like that. And there it is. It's super, super easy. Now let's do this side. I find that if I wet my hair really well, it will do much better. Okay. Now, doing the other side. Brush it one more time. Alright, now again, take your 3 strands. Whoops, I went the wrong way. There we go. Okay. If you have really long hair, this would be so pretty. Okay. Braiding all the way down. Alright. Now get that, and you've got basically one more to do. Open up your braid, put your fingers through it like that, and then again you're going to take your finger, create 3 strands again, and then just loop them through, braid that, and then go through your braid again, pull the hair through, create 3 strands, do it real tight, and there you go. It is not a traditional French braid because I can't do that. My fingers don't work right when I do that. And then take your little rubber bands and do the ends, and voila, you're finished. And see how it looks. And I usually will wear my hair like this when I ride as well. It keeps everything from flying around, and you can take these and you can tie them like this with another little rubber band, and you can have little loops like this, or you can take the sides and crisscross them in the back and then just kind of tuck them in underneath here and have a cute little braid in the back as well, and maybe do a little updo if you wanted to. But there you go, super easy. Let me know if you try it.